How to fix Canon printer error code 1682. So just a short troubleshooting guide. So this means the fine cartridge or the ink cartridge cannot be recognized. So the official fix is to replace the cartridge, and if the error still happens, the printer or cartridge may need service. So first of all, turn off the printer. Then by doing that, you can just press the power button and wait for the Canon printer to fully shut down. Next, you can just go ahead and remove the cartridge, open the printer cover, and carefully remove the cartridge showing the error, usually black or let's say blue, but just go ahead and remove the specific one. Then check the orange tape or plastic. Make sure all the protective tape, plastic, or packaging has been removed from the cartridge. Canon support commonly points this out for the specific error detection issues. So just reinstall or replace the cartridge, put the cartridge back in firmly until it clicks. So if the error does stay, replace it with the correct compatible Canon fine cartridge for your printer model. Then just go ahead and restart and test the print. Turn the printer back on and try printing again. So don't force the cartridge holder though. Also, using the wrong or incompatible cartridge can trigger this error, so make sure you're not doing that. But hopefully this video helps you. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.